Yeah, another one. Yeah, check the joint. Big baby butter. It's time for her to get back on her feet, on her wheels, whatever. At DMV, they told me exactly what to do. It's every state is different with registrations and titles and all that stuff. So this is why Butter has been sitting here for a minute and I haven't really been doing anything. As you guys see, the back airbags went out and, she be, bouncing up and down like a lowrider. But all that's about to come to a change because I'm going to register her here in the state of Nevada. So I got to get a VIN check and I got to get a smog check. So we're going to start with the smog check being that that's closer, and then I'm going to go get the VIN check. And then we're going to go get the registration changed out, and then we'll go from there. By the way, tomorrow is the first day of spring, which is what? Thursday, March 19th or something like that? I don't know. I'll figure it out and I'll let y'all know later. But tomorrow is Thursday and that's the first day of spring. So you guys know how I do for y'all who have been with the channel for a minute. I like to clean out my garage. This thing has all type of leaks and stuff like that. So we got to get Butter together. Either way, spring cleaning coming tomorrow. I got to get all this stuff up out of here and we're going to do some spring cleaning. But as for right now, we got to get the smog check done and the VIN check for big baby Butter. All right, so first things first, let's see if her battery is even still good, which it should be because I have her plugged up. So she should be good. I need to check all these batteries. We all good. I need to start this up and start up the bikes as well, because I definitely haven't started these up in months, the whole winter. So anyway, let's get at it. All right, guys, let me show you how we low riding right now. Check this out.
Smog test is 29 if it passes or fails.
Okay.
Do you want to pay your registration here too?
No, I'm actually in the process of getting it transferred over from California.
Oh.
So the first step in transferring it from state to state is you gotta get a smog test if that state you are trading your tags over to requires a smog. So first step is smog, then you got to do a VIN check, and then you can go on the DMV and get your new registration. All right, y'all, we up. All right, so apparently these third-party smog checks can they can do VIN checks here and obviously smog checks. So we're doing both. All right, so because this is a 2003, we had to do it the old school way, where they put the thing in your muffler. So, but either way, we passed. Huh?
We're just waiting on some DMV services to continue. You're already in line.
Okay.
If you want to have a seat in your car.
Yeah, guys, so that was a major bust, man. They want to charge me, even though I paid my registration in full in California, they want me to pay another full registration here, plus late fees on top of their service fee for them to go to DMV for me. I can't do all that. That's damn near $600. And DMV told me it's gonna be like $209. So I'm looking at saving, you know, close to $300. So I'm just headed over to DMV. I'm gonna do my VIN check there, and we're gonna go from there. All right, guys, so I'm here at DMV. Another trip to DMV. I just left here the day before yesterday on Monday. It's Wednesday now. We're doing the VIN check now. The VIN check is free. And after this, I got to go fight that line in there. I'll probably be in there for like 2-3 hours. But hey, that's better than paying double the money for doing the work myself. I'll let y'all know what happens right after this. Well, guys, that one was a bust too. They do not do walk-in Wednesdays anymore. You have to make an appointment for everything here. If you don't have an appointment, you dead money. So basically, I gotta either make an appointment or try AAA. So I'm gonna try AAA tomorrow. Finally, y'all, got those new plates for butter. Now let's get them on. All right, guys. So, as I mentioned, it's springtime. And for those of you guys who have been with the channel for a minute, you know I don't like a dirty garage. This has been all dirty all winter. I broke something. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a matte spot on the floor right there. Anyway, I broke something and I didn't clean it up because I said springtime is, you know, we were bringing in some groceries. I broke something. I said I will clean it up when on the first day of spring like I always do. So spring cleaning, let's get at it. here we go. We're finally done. Let me turn on the lights, because it's a little dark now. Spring cleaning done. Exactly at 5 o'clock. What do you guys think? I don't even know if I showed y'all the before. But I can tell you that this looks 90% better. That's crazy because on the camera you can see some of the lines here, but standing here in front of it, you really can't. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, some of these on this side, some of these burn marks, because I be messing with the kids and burning out in the garage sometimes. I shouldn't say that, but in the bins, I be burning out. So some of those stains were a little more stubborn than other stains, which is why I use the degreaser. But anyway, I'm not going to talk your head off about cleaning. This is not a cleaning channel. Just letting you guys know my spring cleaning is done. If you've done your spring cleaning, hit me down in the comments. Other than that, thanks for hanging out with me, and I guess I'll see y'all on the next one. Who loves you, baby? I forgot my bucket. Who loves you, baby?